In this video, we're going to calculate the leverage ratio, which is also known as the equity multiplier. So we'll start out by taking our average total assets and then dividing that by our average common shareholders' equity. So to get our average total assets, I'm going to take my total assets. So this is a balance sheet from Apple, I believe from 2014 and 2013. So if you take their current amount, which is 231,839, and if you add the 207 and then put equals into your calculator, that'll give you the total, and then just divide it by 2, and then that will give you the average. So that's the 231,839 plus 207,000 and divide that by 2. So then that number will end up being 219,420. So that's your average total assets, and I just rounded. The next step is you're going to take your average common shareholders' equity. So here's our shareholders' equity, the 111,547 and the 123,549. But I just want to caution you that if there is preferred shares on the balance sheet, you don't want to include it. So all of the items in shareholders' equity is the common items. So again, if there's any shares that are for preferred shareholders, you would not include them in that calculation. So again, to take the average, what I'll do is I'll take the 111,547, add the 123,549, and then divide that by 2. And then the answer to that will be 117,548. So now if you just take the 219,420 and divide that by 117,548, we'll end up with 1.87. So I want to tell you what this 1.87 means. So this actually, I would say, is a pretty low number. So if this was high, then that would indicate that the company uses more debt to finance their assets. So I'll just write that down for you. So if it's high, it shows that the company uses more debt to finance its assets. And then if it's low, so this one's low, then that means they're relying more on their common shareholders to finance their total assets. So if I just wanted to say what this number is, all I'm really saying is for every $1 of common equity, so I'll just say $1 of common equity, finances or pays for $1.87 of assets.